Hi guys, welcome to my 7 out of 100 helpful and useful chess videos. This video is very important for all chess players, so don't skip this video. Please watch the full video. Let's start the game quickly. This game starts with the king's pawn opening. Black replied similarly. Now white developed his knight, and at the same time it is attacker the black's e5 center pawn. This opening name is king's knight valuation. Black protects this e5 center pawn by developed his b8 knight. Now white's popular move is the bishop c4 or b5. If he plays bishop c4, then this is the Italian opening. And if he plays the bishop b5, it is called Ruy Lopez opening. Today we will discuss Ruy Lopez opening. White's plan here is to take our knight with his bishop and then free take our e5 center pawn with his f3 knight. Go back to the previous position. Here we will develop our other knight, because it is attacking white's e4 center pawn. So white defends it with the pawn d3. Friends, this time we will learn a very important technique. Please everyone pay attention to the board. Okay, now we play the knight e7. Do you understand the reason for doing this? Yes, this time the e5 center pawn is offered free. Now if white takes this pawn, then his game will be dismissed. Don't worry, I'll show you how. This time you attack white's bishop with the pawn c6, no matter where he moves. On the next move, we will check by our queen and take her knight. Please wait a little longer. The game is not over here, because I haven't shown you everything yet. Now I'm going back a while to surprise you. At this point, if white avoids his bishop and moves his knight to c4, of course you don't take the bishop, because if you do it, then on the next move you will be checkmate. Do you recognize it yet? Yes, it is knight d6. It's called smothered checkmate. So back to the previous position. Don't worry, black can play very well from here too. We first play pawn d6 to prevent this checkmate thread, because it is protected by your queen. Look at the board to still attack his bishop. So he moves his bishop to the a4 square. And finally, your best move is b5, and it's attacking their bishop and knight. Bishop takes, and we recapture by our pawn. And finally, black lost his material. Friends, today's video ends here. Hope to see you in the next video. Be sure to comment and let me know if the video was helpful to you. And liking the video increases my attention to make the video. And if you subscribe, then my dream of 100K subscribers can come true. Anyway, you all will be fine. Tata and bye-bye.